Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2017 Ford Fusion Sport in white platinum. With LED headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, LED tail lamps, rear spoiler, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 22,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, 2.7-liter turbocharged V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6214.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.